Hi, my name is Mr. Austin. I'm a peanut nutrition educator at the National Kidney Foundation of Michigan. And today we're doing a food tasting, and this one's called Bagel Wreaths. So, it's called Bagel Wreaths because the main ingredient or the main thing you should use is a bagel. However, if you don't have a bagel, there's a couple different things you can use. So, you can just use any piece of bread that you have at home. If you have hamburger buns or hot dog buns, I actually have some hot dog buns, you can open that up and you can use that as well. So first thing you need is a piece of bread, any kind of bread. So I'm going to use the bagel today. The second thing you need is some cream cheese. So I have some cream cheese in here and I already put a little bit on top of my bagel. And then the third thing that you need are some vegetables. So I have a couple different ones here. I have some cucumbers that I cut up. I have a tomato that I cut up. I have some red pepper that I diced up, and I have some onion that I diced up as well. If you don't want to do the vegetables, you could also use some kind of fruit. So the fruit that I would use would be some jelly. If you have some jelly or some jam at home, you can put that on top of your bagel as well. So to make this snack, it's super easy. First thing you do is you take your bagel or your piece of bread and you put some cream cheese on top. So you would just scoop a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit more on top of mine. And you just scrape it on top. Then, the next thing you have to do, and the last step, super easy, is you're going to pick some vegetables to put on top. So for the first one, I'm going to put some tomatoes. I'm going to put a couple cucumbers on there as well because they taste good together. And then, let's do one more just so I can use some of my other vegetables. I'm going to take half the hot dog bun. A little bit of cream cheese. And on this one, I'm going to put my peppers. So I'm just going to put a couple of the diced peppers on top. And that's another version of it as well right here. So this snack is good because it has a couple different food groups. It has your grains from the bagel or from the hot dog bun or from the piece of bread. It has some dairy on it from the cream cheese, and then it has the vegetables on top, or if you choose to use fruit. So the vegetables and the fruit you put on top. Before I taste test one to see what it tastes like, the other thing you could do is if you have a toaster oven at home, and if you'd like, you can heat up, like you can put the bagels inside the toaster and heat them up, or put the bread inside, and then you can spread the cream cheese on top with the vegetables, and that tastes really good as well. So let's do a little taste test, see what it tastes like. This one's really good. I like peppers a lot, so this might be my favorite one. And let's take a little bite of this one too. Both very delicious. So if you want to try this snack at home, you just need these couple ingredients. You might need some help from an adult to cut up the different vegetables that you use. But besides that, this is a snack that you can try at home that's super healthy. Thanks for watching, and come back next week for another food tasting video.